So let us see about the structure under gluteus maximus mnemonic part. So how to remember every muscles, nerves, vessels, okay, all bursaes, bones and ligaments. Let us see. So muscles you can remember like in logical way. You have medius, minimus, rectus and quadratus femoris, operator internal and external and last is happy. So medius and minimus, like the medius and minimus gluteus. Okay. Femoris, you know, means the rectus and quadratus femoris. Okay, operator if you remember internals and externals operator. And at last happy, which means H, A and P, right? So piriformis, A is for A is for adductor magnus and H is for hamstring muscles. Okay, all the four hamstrings. Just this is if you remember this logical terms, muscles are very simple. Whereas vessels, if you see, they are superior and inferior gluteal. Okay, trochanteric and cruciate anastomosis. Okay, and PIM is for internal pudental. Okay, P is for perforating artery, first perforating artery. M is for ascending branch of medial circumflex femoral. So gluteal vessels means superior and inferior gluteal vessels. Anastomosis is trochanteric and cruciate anastomosis. PIM is for first perforating artery, internal pudental vessels, and ascending branch of medial circumflex. So next is the nerves. Superior and inferior gluteal nerve, sciatic nerve. Then you have all the three P's, which is one P is for pudental nerve, another one P is for posterior cutaneous nerve of thigh. At last one P is there, right? That P is for perforating cutaneous nerve. And now to operator internals and now to quadratus femoris. So superior and inferior gluteal nerve PPP, which is for the perforating cutaneous. Next we have the pudental nerve, posterior nerve of thigh, sciatic nerve, to quadratus femoris and operator internus. Okay. So bones and joints. Bones are you can remember like IAF. Okay, like an expansion and abbreviation it be ilium, ischium, and the femur's greater trochanter. Then you can remember his IAF. So H is for hip joint and S is for the sacroiliac joint. So ligament SIS you can remember like it's a security branch, sacrotuberous, sacrospinous, and the ischiofemoral. Bursae you can remember GIT, but G you can remember GV. Okay, the music director. So G is for the gluteus maximus and vastus latalis. There is a bursae. At I there is a ischial tuberosity. That's bursae. And trochanteric bursa will be there of gluteus maximus. So trochanteric bursa is enough even. Okay. So, what are the muscles? To conclude, there are gluteus medius, gluteus minimus, okay, rectus and quadratus femoris, operator internals and externals, hamstring four muscles, adductor magnus, and the P is for the piriformis. So, what are the vessels you can see? Superior and inferior gluteal vessels. You can see the pudental vessels. Okay, PIM if you remember, like happy there you remember PIM. Pudental, internal pudental vessels. Okay, first perforating artery, ascending branch of medial circumflex. Along with that, you have the trochanteric and cruciate anastomosis. Nerves means superior and inferior gluteal nerve, sciatic nerve. Okay, then you have the PPP, which is posterior cutaneous. So posterior cutaneous nerve thigh, perforating cutaneous nerve, pudental nerve. Now to the operator internus and quadratus femoris. Then we have the bones and joints. They are about how many bones? We have ilium, IF, ischium, and femur trochanter. Then his mean H for hip joint, S is for sacroiliac joint. The ligaments they have SIS, which is sacrotuberous, sacrospinous, and ischiofemoral. Okay. Then the bursae are GVIT, which is the I is for ischial tuberosity, T is for trochanteric bursae, and G is for the gluteus maximus and vastus latalis. There is a bursa. Okay. So in this itself, I want to say about trochanteric anastomosis, because you have trochanteric anastomosis here in the vessels, right? So I want to force you on trochanteric anastomosis, which is very simple. There are four branches in anastomosis. One is from the ascending branch of medial circumflex artery. Another one is ascending branch of lateral circumflex artery. It will be very simple to remember. So medial circumflex, lateral circumflex, ascending branches. Whereas there will be a descending branch of superior gluteal and a branch of inferior gluteal. Descending branch of superior gluteal artery and a separate, a common branch of a inferior gluteal artery. This comes to the end of the video.